obviously, as it fills more volume of the exhaust, the pressure is going to go down and it's going to get cooler, right? So, hold on, let me take my pull real quick. We'll quit yapping for a minute. Last traction control.
I see that.
Lit up like crazy. Yeah, she tried to spin. Okay, well, anyway, that's cool. We did an episode of My Super Sweet 16.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I remember I got left in Philadelphia.
No way.
It was terrible. But anyway, we did that. We did that show, Trading Spaces, where neighbors would like redo their houses. A few episodes of that with him. There's a couple things we did. Not why it has a DH400 in it. It's just because he needed a stronger transmission and he doesn't know how to drive a manual, to my knowledge.
Oh my god.
He might, I don't know, but put it this way, if some guy buys his Supra in an automatic, I'm going to assume that's because he doesn't know how to drive.
Yeah, I would definitely do a manual swap.
Unless you're building like a drive, if it has a parachute on the back of it, then maybe it's okay. That sounds sick, dude.
It's mean.
Wow, that's a cool noise to it. It has a really cool noise to it.
It's that wastegate, bro.
Yeah, that's opened up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds really good.
How's she handling now?
That was beautiful. We'll see. Once we get there, this thing's gonna be dead nuts.
Okay.
It's crisp. Feels very crispy. That's how you can tell the difference between an 86 that's proper and one that is a little off.
Like what you were doing a few times ago.
Yeah, you can just feel it has a crispy kind of feel to it. It feels like good.
Yeah, you'll know if it's shitty. You're like, all right.
Extra crispy chicken, man. You know, it's just got that feeling. Like it's snappy. It doesn't feel wet.
Yeah.
A shitty 86, 86's tune bed feels like it's soaking wet when you're driving it. It feels...
It's just dragging.
It feels draggy. Like it's not wanting to push ahead of you. It's like it's laying, you know, it's weird.
God, this sounds so mean right now. Holy crap.
Yeah, no, this feels nice. I like it.
Like, what do you recommend for, like, when it's hot as fuck out? Stay away from boost. Because everybody's like, oh, stay away from boost, don't.
Yeah, dude, I mean, the way I see it is this. If you have to do anything special that you didn't have to do the day you bought the car, that's a regression. That's a fuck up. You just fucked something up at that point. So, no, you should not have to take special care to not beat your car up when it's hot, or else the car doesn't work.
Yeah,
it's a car, so you have to be able to beat the shit out of it when it's hot.
Because everybody's like, oh, you're going to get rod knocked. You're going to get rod knocked.
No, if that's the case, the car's broke.
Okay.
You shouldn't have a situation
where it's like 110 degrees outside.
Where you induce knock just because it's hot.
Okay.
Like now, granted, cars are going to be more knock sensitive when it's hot. That's true, but that's why we have mitigations in the ROM to compensate for that. You know, yeah, the car's not going to make much power.
Yeah, like
really
versus
hot,
when it's cold.
You know, versus when it's. But the whole point is, like people will say, like, oh, I put a turbo on my car. What gauges should I buy? Well, the answer is nothing, because you shouldn't have to be driving down the street like this the whole time while you're driving the car. If you did, you just broke something. Like it's still your car. Like you have to be able to drive it as if it's your car and not be constantly monitoring to see if the bomb's about to go off.
Yeah.
You know, so we don't do that. I tell people don't buy any gauges. We put all the mitigation inside the ROM.
Yeah.
You know, with custom maps. So I mean, the fact of the matter is, if the car overboosts because a wastegate line blows off, like even if you happen to be staring at that gauge right when it happens,
it's gonna happen.
You're not going to be faster than the computer at pulling the throttle out anyway.
Yeah.
And the computer's there to pull the throttle out. That's going to happen whether you're staring at the gauge or not.
How much power you think it's making?
Oh yeah, well this is probably
like 280 or something.
Yeah, like 280-ish, 280 to 300.
Okay, I really want to hit 300.
This is running really normal timing. It's running like 15 degrees.
Okay.
Well, you are running a little extra boost. So yeah,
it might be
the boost a little higher.
It might be close to 3.
Probably closer around 300 wheel.
Okay, it's not bad.
It's running like a little over 2 G rev, 2 grams per rev of load, which is normal. Like your average turbo 86 runs right at 2 grams per rev. Yours is just right about there, like a little under and a little higher because the boost goes up as it creeps a little.
Yo, that Lexus though. You see that? That Lexus goes hard. Yeah.
This one, back in the, if I knew what I knew now, I could have got this car for free.
For real?
For my brother Jack, he had one just sitting there. It's like, you want it? I put it like fix it. And I was like, nah, I'm gonna pass.
Oh, this shit fire. They got the cheetah print seats. I like it.
Is it welded in there?
I like it a lot.
Two Crusader.
Okay.
It should be Crusader. Let me look at GT.
Oh, that sounds good. Did this fucking headlight just come on?
So like,
Oh,